New connector, new sensor, lube the O-ring up. You want to lube that up a little bit before you try to put this into the engine block. We got the new sensor, new connector, butt connectors, wired it down. All right. This one was stuck on here. It was welded to it. Like you see how it's glued on there? That's how hot this got. Wasn't no getting this off. So new connector for the exhaust side of the camshaft position sensor and the new sensor. Okay. Still got to do something with these wires. Probably electrical tape them and separate them. See what it do. Okay, this is a 2011 Chevy Malibu 2.4 liter exhaust camshaft position sensor and connector.